All right, next step is to clean our scalp. So again, we're gonna use Dissolve, we're gonna use a towel, or we're gonna use a paper towel, whatever you have handy. Either one doesn't matter. They're both gonna work great. The name of the game here is really making sure that your scalp is completely clean. There can't be any residue, there can't be any oils, or it's going to end up making an impact on how long your fresh bond will last. You may end up doing this next week again if you didn't do it right the first time. So let's make sure we get a great clean environment. I like to try to go 2 or 3 weeks when I rebond my hair, which is a typical time for somebody who's active. And I live in South Florida, so it's humid here, it's warm here, but I get a great bonding period. 3 weeks I think is fantastic, but you gotta make sure that you do this right every time you do it. So we're gonna clean the scalp really well, make sure that we get all those oils out, no residue of the old bond, and we'll be ready to go. All right, now some people have regrowth on top of the scalp. If you have some regrowth at this stage of the process, I would probably recommend to shave that hair down. As you can tell, I don't have any regrowth. Sometimes there's very little, but it doesn't affect anything, so there's nothing really for me to shave. A lot of our, a lot of clients, a lot of people that I know have a lot of hair still left on top, and they wear the hair over that. So you do have to shave it because it's going to grow, and it will impact, again, it's going to impact how long the bond lasts. So get it down as close as you can. A lot of people use a T trimmer, and that works great.